Welcome! In this lesson I'll go into more detail about the MethodInfo class as well as the ParameterInfo class. The MethodInfo class, aside from the general properties of methods, has two other important members. First of all is the invoke method, which, as the name implies, allows you to execute a given method. The invoke method has two parameters, an object and an object array. The first parameter, as you would expect, is the instance this method is invoked from. In the case the method is a static one, you can simply enter null here. The second parameter, the object array, is an array of the method's parameters. In the case the method does not have any parameters, you can simply enter null. But in all other cases, you need an array. In order to figure out what parameters are needed, we can take a look at the second important member of MethodInfo, a method named getParameters. This method returns an array of ParameterInfo instances. The ParameterInfo instance has four properties to keep in mind. First is the parameter type, which goes without saying. Second of all is the isOptional property, which indicates whether or not the parameter has a default value assigned and is therefore optional. If a parameter is optional, the ParameterInfo class will also have the raw default value property, returning an object that is the default value. If a parameter is not optional, the raw default value property won't return a regular null, but a database null. This can be useful since a regular null can also be the default value, and is generally more likely to be used than a database null. Last, we have isOut, which indicates whether or not a parameter has the out keyword. Also, when grabbing a parameter's parameter type, you can use the parameterType.isByRef property to check if a parameter has the ref keyword. If isByRef returns true and isOut does not, then the parameter is most likely to have the ref keyword. Now try and see if you can get a method executed via the invoke method. Also try to figure out how the params keyword is handled.